Hi friends, you're watching 8 Helpline, and in this video we will see question number 62 from ISRO December 2017 question paper. Friends, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the latest updates regarding GATE exam. So friends, question number 62 is, a system uses FIFO policy for page replacement. It has 4 page frames with no page loaded to begin with. The system first accesses 50 distinct pages in some order and then access the same 50 pages in reverse order. How many page faults will occur? And the options are A96, B100, C97 and D92. So friends, now we will see explanation to this question. In this question we are given that a system uses FIFO policy for page replacement. Second, it has 4 page frames with no page loaded to begin with. Third, the system first accesses 50 distinct pages in some order and then access the same 50 pages in reverse order, and we need to find how many page faults will occur. So friends, now we will see two cases, that is accessing 50 distinct pages in some order, and the second case will be accessing the same 50 pages in reverse order. So first of all we will take case 1, that's of forward order. So here when we access 50 distinct pages in some order, suppose the order is 1, 2, 3 till 50. One thing we need to note is we are using FIFO page replacement policy. That is, the first element which came in will be the first to out. And it has 4 page frames with no pages loaded to begin with. So friends, first of all we will take 4 page frames with no page frames initially loaded. So this is the 4 page frames and initially there are nothing loaded inside the page frames. So first of all we will try to load the pages in the order 1, 2, 3 till 50. So first of all the first page which will come is 1 and then second, third and fourth. So friends, initially there was nothing. So all these 1, 2, 3, 4 are the page faults. These are in red color to indicate the page faults. Next in the series will come 5 and as per FIFO it will replace 1 because 1 is the first element which came in. So it will be the first element to go out. So 1 will be replaced by 5. So this is also a page fault. Similarly, we will be getting page faults till the end of the distinct page order. So the last page frame will be having the pages 47, 48, 49 and 50, and all these will be page faults only. So friends, last frame contain the pages 50, 49, 48, 47. Then total page fault occur are 50. So here you can see that all these are page faults. So in case 1, we are having total 50 page faults. So friends, the second case is reverse order. So friends, we are having the page frame having the elements 50, 49, 48, 47. So here we have left with 50, 49, 48, 47 in case 1. So we are having all these pages initially in the frame. So when we apply FIFO in the reverse order, we will get the page hit for 50, 49, 48, 47. So all these will be page hit and the remaining elements or the remaining pages like 1, 2, 3, 4 and till 46, all these will be page faults. So when we reverse the string 50, 49, 48 till 1, then 4 pages will not cause the page fault because they are already present in the frame, and those are 47, 48, 49, 50, and the remaining 46 will cause 46 page faults. So total page faults are 50 plus 46 equals to 96. So option A, 96 page faults will occur is the correct answer. So friends, as per our explanation, answer to this question is option A, that is 96 page faults will occur while accessing 50 distinct pages in some order and then accessing the same 50 pages in reverse order. So friends, thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our videos to appreciate our work. If you have any doubt or question, please comment below.